All right, seventh grade ELA. This is your writing assignment for this week. It is on active verbs. All right, thank you for joining me on this video on active verbs. It says writing can be made more interesting with the use of active verbs. Rush or stumble is more exciting than go. Glare or squint is more vivid than see. Circle the verbs in the following story. Then rewrite the story below, substituting action verbs wherever possible for the passive ones. Now, I'm going to let you guys get away with not rewriting. We are going to find the verbs and then you're going to add active verbs. Now, it says Jeff saw the mess in the kitchen. Saw would be our verb. Whoops, I forgot to change it. Saw would be the verb in that sentence. He went, that would be my verb, into the hall and took his jacket from the hook. Then he went outside. He got on his bike and went down the street to his friend Andy's house. Andy was in the front yard. Jeff got off his bike. "Hi, Andy," he said. "What's up, Jeff?" said Andy. Jeff moved closer to Andy. "I am" is the verb. "In big trouble," he said. Andy looked at him. "You are?" "Yeah," said Jeff. "I was going through the kitchen and I accidentally pushed over my mom's favorite china casserole. It went on the floor and is in a million little pieces." "Yeah," said Andy. Oops, forgot to change that back. Said Andy, "You are in big trouble." So we have gone through. I've helped you out. I've circled the verbs. Now what you got to do, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I'm going to say that you need to change 20 verbs. I'll let you leave 2 of them the same, and you don't have to rewrite it. So when I'm doing this, I wouldn't really go in order. Like Jeff got off his bike. Well, I think that the word jumped. Oh, dang it, I forget. Jumped. He got on his bike. He went outside. He ran outside. And "What's up, Jeff?" "Oh, hi, Andy," he said. Instead of said, he yelled because he's excited. So what I am doing is I'm changing the verbs that we circled into more active verbs instead of just using the plain basic verbs. Now, I counted out 22. You only have to do 20 of the 22 verbs. You don't have to rewrite it. You can just write them above there. So that's what I want you to do on the assignment. If you listen to the video, you have less work to do and it's easier work. So when you get finished with the rest of the assignment, don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when finished. Good luck and have fun. Also, come see me during office hours. I am so bored, guys. Have fun.